मैं मिस रुतम बिस्वाल जी को आमंत्रित करता हूँ। हैं क्या रुतम जी?
यस सर।
कृपया संक्षिप्त में अपना पत्र प्रस्तुत करें।
Good evening all
जो
of
मूल
you.
है पत्र का।
Good evening all of you. I am Rutam Biswal going to present my paper on the topic Rasāyana-śāstra or chemistry in Vedas. The word Ved is derived from the root Vid, to know. Vedas are the treasure of all Shastra or sciences. Much have been said about all the sciences in recent researches. However, one branch named chemistry remains a bit neglected due to its complex and technical nature. The present paper aims to discuss the knowledge of chemistry in Vedas and Vedic literature. Chemistry in Rigveda, there are many examples like formation of atom and its constituent. Rigveda verse 1.2.8 explains that Mitra electron and Varun proton mutually interact and create most extensive yagya. There is Rigvedic mantra taken from second Shukta of Rigveda 1.2.7, which describes the process by which water can be formed by the combination of two other substances. In Rigveda, we find mention of cotton dyeing and leather tanning and the chemicals used in the processes. Chemistry in Samaveda. Not much reference of chemistry are mentioned in this, only the importance of soma and intoxicant juice is mentioned. Chemistry in Yajurveda. The meaning of Yajur is application. Yajurveda clearly indicates the existence of metallurgy by mentioning gold, silver, copper, tin, lead, and iron. Shukla Yajurveda mentions about black bronze. Rigveda describes Som as a godly drink, while Sura as human drink. However, Yajurveda uplifts Sura to the status of Som. Technology of curdling of milk is also found in Yajurveda. Chemistry in Atharvaveda. Atharvaveda deals with science, technology, applied social sciences, and human behavior. A number of evidences in Atharvaveda mentions about dyes like madder, turmeric, and lac, etc. In the Atharvaveda, we can trace the earliest literary record of Indian medicine. Atharvaveda mentions iron metal as flesh-red colored, while copper as green blood in color. All the properties and applications of electrical energy is discussed in the Atharvaveda, especially with respect to military use. Rasopanishad, the ancient alchemical text, gives the presentation of gunpowder. To conclude, so far as the Vedic sources of chemistry are concerned, most of the knowledge is in the hidden and symbolic form. For example, in the Vedic scriptures, a lot of importance has been given to Agni, that is energy of fire, and its utilization in number of ways. One of such uses of fire is Agnihotra or Havan, possessing scientific physical chemical processes. The vapors released in the atmosphere by this act as an anti-pollutant, thereby cleansing the whole ecosystem. Hence, the Vedas contain several types of secular knowledge, including mathematics, physics, and chemistry in a hidden form. Some of the scientific knowledge can be easily deciphered and understood. However, rest would require persons with knowledge of Vedic Sanskrit as well as modern scientific knowledge, both for proper interpretation. However, one should be cautious enough to avoid wrong interpretation of mantra to support one's own view, because ultimately truth alone prevails and not untruth or lies. Thank you.
धन्यवाद रुतम जी।